You let me touch so many people, and it's all for the good. I influenced so many children. I never thought that I would. And I couldn't take credit for the love they get, because it all comes from you, Lord. I'm just the one that's giving it. And when it seems like the pressure gets to be too much, I take time out and pray and ask that you be my crutch. Lord, I am not perfect by a long shot. I confess to you daily. But I work hard every day, and I hope that you hear me. In my heart, I mean well, but if you'll help me to grow, then what I have in my heart will begin to show. And when I get going, I'm not looking back for nothing, because I will know where I'm headed, and I'm so tired of the suffering. I stand before you, a weakened version of your reflection, begging for direction, for my soul needs resurrection. I don't deserve what you've given me, but you never took it from me, because I am grateful, and I use it, and I do not worship money. If what you want from me is to bring your children to you, my regret is only having one life to do it instead of two.
It's a beautiful morning. It's a wonderful day. Walking with Jesus every step of the way. He's got a blessing waiting for you today. It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning. It's a wonderful day. It's a beautiful morning. It's a wonderful day. It's such a good feeling just to know that you're saved. Don't let your troubles stand in your way, 'cause it's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning. It's a wonderful day. The Lord has made this morning especially for you. He hopes that you will be joining in the work He's gonna do. He's got a blessing waiting for you today. It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning. It's a wonderful day. Has made this morning especially for you. He hopes that you will be joining in the work He's gonna do. He's got a blessing waiting for you today. It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning. It's a wonderful day. It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning. It's a wonderful day. It's a wonderful day. A wonderful day.
Yes, indeed. It's a beautiful morning. It's a wonderful day. Good morning, Accra. Good morning, Ghana. Welcome on board to the breakfast show. Yeah, today they send it as well. Wɔhɔ Obia and now you're a bubble swimming there to so you know one film any adunum. Well, today being the second day of the month of September 2025. Good morning and welcome on board to the show. Every Saturday I come send no what we bono Jumedia. Ya to the send it as well. Obia and your bro. A high deal. For Hanisia a triple and chrome. And I pay you bidding come on. And some more pa and I pay ya be cancel. Now streaming live on Facebook, join your live or your Facebook page in the show on DL 106.9 on Facebook, on YouTube as well. Midofo Busia, minua ba, minua bema, anapay, yen kasa kakra bi, yen shi ye hun kran. Now, anapay kasa me no woka, yitiawa, poto kasa mu no. Me kind of said the key to success is to focus on goals, not obstacles. The key to success is to focus on goals, not obstacles. Abraba ye bono. Ye wabotaye de si ani so. Sa botaye no. Ana wose ye ma ye ni ekoso. Wo ba brabo no nyema bi betwetwa wakwan mu. Sa nyema ni nyina no emfa waso, emfa wadwen ma sa nyema no. Wo de kokon wanim. Ema bibia entwetwa wonam mu. Ema bibia enye sia kwan wo wakwan abrabo anasa kwantu a wutuo ni mu. Wo bobra no amane beba, wo tai beba, twetwa nanti beba. Nyema bebre na beto wo abrabo ni mu. But goals a wodi asi wani so. Vision a wodi asi wani so no. Ema bibia entwetwa wakwan mu da. And pay attention. Ema sa obstacles no. Mesro said you would was when you so no, and no kwan I was so wandering a coswo. As I say, when I win him the audience see when you so, when I name Botaya, a woe when you so, when I'm in vision, a woe when you so. Tianapay, Michelle crime said the key to success is to focus on goals. And pay focus what goals are. Would you see when you so what? Focus on the dreams are would you see when you saw. And your obstacles are wakwan mu no. That obstacles need to me settle back. No abemabu. E mo abemumbu. Focus on the goals. The key to success is to focus on goals, not obstacles. But therefore, anapay nyankopon hira. Wonya okese e. Wo mo akoma so ade nyina embremo. Kase amen. Minute after 6 a.m. here. Coming up next, what do I sit there by your Yanko Shadow Pay? Minima sit there with the man Yanko Paul. But here now, you name the Yanko Paya Maya, no. Young Fana sit and did the Biarada. I'm also see a bit of telephone too. If it was what do I sit there by 0593406565 0593406565 0534 050 199. I don't pay a den Yankupa say. Yeah, sorry, you know. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Hitman.
Yes, sir. Me patch you for us and pay.
Kofi mani ashama Diamond City.
Kofi and pay and then Yankopon say.
Hitman, yedayamiasi mpempen so dia bedru. Hitman, you need to know the shas 1st January 2025 and the 2nd September 2025. Dudona entiase na sememe tiase. Mini me busunya, mini namfufo, mini we Ghana we asemman ya yetiase na yesi rade dawasio. Ana mesa fa kwenya we so asada nyamiase ewo pempen so de Linda Ose ende na woda owo ashaman asensuba dodo na frena ko Hitman yeden amiase so de afeba ko aka Linda Ose on erade enhia no nombo no ban bebi Obia Hitman Kofi mani ashama Diamond City bido besia ovinto aso
Kofi me that say good morning.
Good morning.
Me patch you for us say.
Tama kompitu.
Mrs. Mintama Minti wanna pay.
Sako bana pia danyamiase. Tribra ya papa to from name bra yedi emwana motu kanfo ni ne mu no erade e de akwa de sita pempensi boni bi ensi ekire asa ne se onu nyame a oboso ene asase asedan kanedi ye da na se bebre onkoso mbo ye ho ban ye de ye nim bia onkoso nyama ye kosi bra ye da san so ehie de nso ye kwa ye papa eki ye so onu ni nse mu ba mbo kese mu be eduma mu bebi biara be mu bo bebe bia no ne rade no onko bia ho ne na se da be ma no na enne so ye minua ba ku birthday e fe ni teni oto bidie wo kom 5 e fe ni teni ma sa be se rade sua no ombo ne ho ban oni ni fiefo nyina enna nya me dia afi ba kwa aka na to ho no onko so kai no oni na ebusie nyina wo Yesu din amen.
Amen. Mrs. Mintaya that say and I pay someone so what do I say that about now my friend is 0593406565. Good morning. Hello.
Good morning.
Me ba je for saying.
This man ba jo family is me kata fra kra ni uta.
Lizia no pay and Yankopon say.
Man no pay de nyame ase. E won e bambo ne hweso papa wo dokesi a wo da na di kire yen. Eni pa pimpim afiri e po eni atoye. E ti finya na afo ba daddy 1 week. Ewade akbo bia ho bando bia ko du yanti wo hawo eni musuo eni asan eni pa ekobo kire so wo kwen so amane bia nti ho na ewade ase yen nyina so ama bia ko du na fiefie mu asomdwe mu a anopa ye kate ne di na nyonyam nka na dum nti amen.
Amen. Good morning.
Good morning, Kataji.
Me ba che for saying.
Me patcho di na geta suma.
Me ba che no pay and Yankopon say.
I'm telling you, Lamentation chapter, verse number 21. 22 or say the year maximum common.
Okay.
The other and from other. Got the other unity and a year, and the mob room to entire. For further, I'm a pa. Now look with you at also. The car, I say, a rabbi, and then the suffer, and then two, and a minute the damaso. Or say, with the admin to Uncle Portugal and Apostle. The free brow of Fernacoa, I don't call it down home. And send the grippy. And so not the Marapa. You need precision with you, Pankana, and you will be a guy. And yet, it was
Hello.
now you will say, as a woman, and to me a piafe. In Tiana Pay, I don't say. You know, I can function in the moon. No more is my phone, so let's say, but the American. Papa no Macassa and be blowing. And Fanny Burns or a legend. Sir, we get a Bofono and Bob Marley. No, and no Ben said, yes, sir, the big back social media. The Ben said, Sophasia, who must translate in the court. And get Papa no no. The best said, no, so we translate in English. Now, Bofono Tias no move media, or yeah, and it will cut to one no moon campa. Papa no, a little bit upper. Then go point to them for some, nothing, Madame.
Amen. Good morning.
Good morning, Brakobna.
Me ba che for saying.
Mama says
You wanna pay and Yankopon say.
you and I pray the radiasi. Ya why am I a pay need to do? Ya and then I see a nay bonia nay you tearful. Ya why am I a way of more dear film and quaffing my yet media tire papechi. Ya no my auntie me and baby crown some pie body a bobby man. Into the air can I say that I see the brave. waye bia ma yankasa na ne aka no so ye de ni to no so ye nim se obeya ama na abro so nti ana pe de aka no se da na asu papa da na se de mari duma e fo ni nyina mo wodi nkuokuo fo nyina nyame hira mo nyina ma hoden a ebro ahoden so na muntimi mfanye ne aka no na ejuma no so nyankopon beta mo echi e wo ne din mu nti ye da na ase.
Amen. Good morning.
Morning.
Me ba che fro say.
From me piano. Kasapite Manuta.
Piano ma minti wa no pay.
I thank my life and family this morning. Amen.
Amen. Piano ya da say. Sa won so wo de wa seda e dia ba. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba che fro say. Doris ano pay ne nyankopon ase.
De nyame ase wo ne ban bone ne hwe so pa. Wenyaye. Ode mo akwa de mo aba. Eda na si bebre. Yo o mo hye ye nyina amem. Nyame ase ne din mu nyam. Eda nyame ase. So ngom ba ye nyina ode obia kodu na abubu anu asumdwe. Eda na se e wo ne ban bone ne hwe so pa. Adumunti. Amen.
Amen. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mentrim pena so home.
Start of the Linia, the Da Jamiasi, say Jami, a dear minimum, minimum. It's in common of pay Ghana for a mentrim penamenka, not tactically a yasida, and I'm the man who camp on Yankopua or share no minister or ma yahu and mansem. Yenamakonia way, Eda Jamiasi, Ediama, Iman, Pastor Emmanuel, a TV. A Pentecost software, or no, a district pastor. I will soon program on the grave. I know everywhere. Mammy too far, na Ninkochebi, na Ninkochia, Pastor Ebenezer, a Ado, and so a Pentecost software, Chebi, and a war, on the Juliana, a Ado, and a pay, Madame Tobacco pay, I will soon, a Mugabi, or Tom Paint, I will soon boy fita, maybe I'm playing in Yano, Juana, Mugabi, I want to pay, Michana Papa. Man company Macau. Now me
so me da se papa men twempena so home. Good morning.
Morning. DJ Hitman.
Yes sir, me pa che fro say.
Anti Berry ni nyame asum game kan.
Me pa cho enka won so ma minti wa no pay.
Na lo pe ye de rade ase. Se ni hu mobro no ebi aso ye nso. E koswa da na se waye na nwanwade no. Wa ma ye papa we on 1 week no aye fe. Aya kono aya Elijah ma Obia ne ji ye say legend and kasa ne aton ye de radia se woni a waye no ye koso ada na se so be sa ya nwanwade woda ye be kwa akopɛ ne kurabe no so ama ye de ase da enin kabia e de ama na fi so no na waye enyo no Obia ni wo betimi aye ne waye ye da na se Adominancy, amen.
Amen. Good morning.
Good morning, welcome.
Beba che for say.
The first one we can just say with you.
If you are pay na Nyankopon say.
Welcome Nyankopon say na o ade ni.
No kropa.
Since that papa die, we mu ye again. Na so na ye di na o try say we are boy. We mu ye hwehwe. Yes Nyankopon ni ye di. Oni die di. O man be bi papa ntena mai. Amen.
Amen. If you are that say. Good morning.
Black Obra na pome.
Me pa cho me ho ye pa ye for say.
Odoni is Legon Obojo.
Ana pay na Nyankopon say.
Ana pome da nyame ase se o ma de papia chi. Petit Friday no ye tu kwan kokuma remember 1 week ni. Odemi akwa aba. Me see me da na se bebre. Amen.
Amen. Good morning.
DJ.
Yes sir.
Good morning.
Good morning. Me pa cho for say.
That's your friend, Mr. Akode.
Sakode no pay mami too.
Yo, but that's it. You dey me ase. Metu nyumba ko.
Tunina.
Awa juma no ye o. Nyame wo hoda. Se uji ni dia. Be ya nwa de. Awa juma no ye o. Nyame wo hoda. Se uji no dia. Beya nwa juma yo mi da nyame ase e ma mabusia mi da nyame ase e ma DL abusia da nyame ase ma Obia wo DLFM. Midanyamiase Emma Mrikua. My sister Mrikua. Midanyamiase Obia. Amen.
Amen. 0593406565 0534-050-199. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me patch your first say.
If I show me
Miracle no pay any yankopon say.
I no pay the radio so timidly free. Kumasi bay the papa na what you then me. I mean Petru on my real home on a fin and cough from Kuran. Let me stress the more mass Priscilla who by my non anything and my head. Then I see any bamboo from what can be or the my make sure me brass are called the dancing.
So me that's him require. Jeff that class works and up what in the message about. Was what the yankopon said. Glory be to God for another day. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me patch your first say.
Hitman.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, me patch your first say.
Me patch your from Zilla. Me patch free tema konti.
Oh, Zilla na pay any yankopon say.
Tito ye do nyame ase so aboy ho ban fiti ndra. Na mama de patch aboni bi anka ye. We nyina ye nya ne sa. Wa hwe so ama de patch ye de ade asi ase da ne ayi ni nkanfo. Ene edi hwe ne din kronkron ne nyonyam so. DJ, why are dear papa, yeah, papa, all week? Maybe to me by Emma Miho cry, Madame Marset. I'm in couple now. Amen.
Amen. Joanna, pay what in the message about. So, welcome back, Hitman. Good morning. And how you doing watching live from Christian Village at Chimota? I'll pay you then, Uncle Passet. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me patch your first say.
I'm not for say, I'm not from it.
Yo, I'm an pay and then Uncle Passe.
I'm not paying your dinner, me as it is a trouble, a hobby. You know, me, I can't hear. It doesn't me ask it. Ah, baby, what they can see, I was high mine. That's a first thing, me, I may cry, or buy a hobby. Now, what should I was my master, Bonnie be and see. That's a year na so game ya kan saseda ene ye en kanidin ye den na me ase adominate amen.
Amen. 0593406565 0534-050-199. ye den yankopon say ana pay once was said and say I don't know what catch yankopon. I'm more than the message about no pay. Good morning, Hitman. How you doing? I thank God for my life. Joining you live on Facebook, Lumba do comment to her. I feel Jim Black and Kenny in the amount. Live on Facebook, live on YouTube. Zero 59340-6565 0534-050-199. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Blackwood.
Me patch your first say. We are not paying the yankopon say.
And then no pay the radius by 2 weeks. I am then the brand of pay the mess of your messiah. Maybe I said, money. And then I said, the Washington College Association for me now and swap when it behind to you. Uncle from why I'm home by for some for your dear child.
Amen. Yeah, that's the pastor won't so what to me afraid. Abusia, aha, and the idea said that be seen Yankopon won't see and I said enough. Ya come as what the enano 1 year and for my brave free fear. Aqua Jume. One kaya home, one fire and court. You be do fee and swa, a casampa. Tridian pom, but say your dom. It was say, Good morning.
Shira, yeah, obey Shira, Nyamyaka, Bebemo, Ilano Betumi, Esi Shira Lopa, Nyamina Waka, Jewaka, Bebebe, Nyamina Waka, Sobe Shira, yeah, obey Shira, Nyamyaka, Bebemo, Ilano Betumi, Esi Shira Lopa.
After 6 a.m. here, Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia. And I woke up here more aquatia. By elections, no cost when that. And it's between NDC and NPP. Solomon Asumadu representing the New Patriotic Party. And I feel lawyer Bernard Bediako representing the NDC. Coming up next, major stories making headlines in the national dailies. Kowakra Tanimo Boswana Sami B. Let's not say for the Kowakra Tanimo Boswana Diaba. What is life? And you be an Awasawono. I guess I would see me that's your brand one Macrasso. And so I make up for the man, your friend Lumba in super natural mineral water. Lumba in supernatural mineral water. Now, Sankabia Babu Apa. Here in every form. And to Wosuma won't Sakabi. Lumba in super natural mineral water. Ready be a wood, be a wood, making sure, sir, one Lumba in super natural mineral water. From Pennyphone, after 117 will be Lumba in super natural mineral water. From Pennyphone, 0555 27 4757. Lumba supernatural mineral water. Join you live on Facebook. Ubana if you watch your link. I'm off of Robin so to me. Lumba supernatural mineral water. And medical candidate say no copy mu akwatia. By elections no cost between MPP and the NDC. New Patriotic Party. Afi NDC. Amanyukuano. Solomon. Kwame Asumedu representing the NPP. Afi Lawyer Bernard Bediakon representing the NDC. Didn't come out of pay. And now so Krate be told ya. Krate be told ya no. As a Chief Justice. I'm born in Nancy True. I'll pay a bedding come out. So be Shira yen, obey yen Shira, Yamiaka, Bemo. No bet to me, I see she ran no one. Yamina waka, yeah waka, bebe. Oh, time for pay and say it. So yami woya fa. Obey it, you bet to me. I see she ran no one. So yamina waka, yeah waka, bebe. Oh, time for pay and say it. So yami woya fa. See she run no one, so nyame na waka, yeah waka, bebe. Nyame na waka, yeah waka, bebe. Nyame na waka, yeah waka, bebe. Yenshiro, nyame na waka, yeah waka, bebe. Otanfuye kwa, nyame na waka, yeah waka, bebe. Obeye jobe to me, see she run no one. I mean, can't forgive us speak up sauce in Fama. Give us speak up sauce. Premature ejaculation, sexual weakness. My dear was so to me, you know, now so. So where Ben Memo. I do make for the amount. Give us speak up sauce. Premature ejaculation, sexual weakness. Mama, what the aunties are not the actual. So where Bema. So where Bema. I don't need to give us speak up sauce. They give us coke capsules about. Very effective. I try now to see your weapon or person. I do make for the amount of pay. They give us coke capsules. Coconut to why I'm Tim Nehawa. I don't need to give us coke capsules. They give us about me Shabbat. I don't know support your immune system now. I could tell malaria. For that, I'll on this. I was too appetite to out to me today. Oh, yes. My friend give us about me shop. That's to be on Sabeka. The pharmaceutical shop will be out. Also, give us speak up sauce. Give us coke up sauce. Give us about me shop. From 0543 222 470 0543 222 470. Give us speak up sauce. Give us coke up sauce. Give us a bami shot. I see she ran no one. Yame na waka, dear waka, bebe. Yame na waka. So be shira yen, obey yen shira. Yame aka, bebe mo. No bet to me, I see she ran no one. Yame na waka, yeah waka, bebe. Oh, time for pay and say it. So yame moya fa, obey it, you bet to me. I see she ran no one. So yame na waka, yeah waka. I don't forget that what do one better, your mama happy birthday. Pay and say it. Happy birthday and come on, Evelyn is your birthday. Happy birthday and come from out. And I fear man quite happy birthday going out to you. And not a fear man quite. I know your birthday. Happy birthday and come from out. From Andrew Rose. It's your birthday today. Away Manubia. I know your birthday. Happy birthday and come from out. Happy birthday and come out. I've been a kufu. It's your birthday today. I know your birthday. Magdalena Mwako, happy birthday going out to you, Magdalena. Happy birthday and come out Queen Sierra. Reverend or both for wife. It's your birthday today. Happy birthday and come out Daniel Kodre do say. Former Black Stars player. Daniel do say. It's your birthday today. Nancy or TNA with the happy birthday and confirm out. Can't come Kwaku, Kennedy. I know birthday, happy birthday and confirm out. I feel maybe I would do the birthday and then happy birthday. I go on show. One you can see it.
I see Shira no pan, Yame na waka, dear waka, Yame na waka, so be Shira yen, obey yen Shira, Yamiaka, Ebemo, Hina no bet to me. I see Shira no pan, Yame na waka, dear waka, Otam for pay and say it. Shira no one, so Yame na waka, ye waka, bebe. O tampo pay and say it, so Yame moya fa, obey it, you're back to me. I see Shira no one, so Yame na waka, ye waka, bebe. Yame na waka, ye waka, bebe. Yame na waka, ye waka, bebe.
It's 7 minutes after 6 a.m. here. 13 more minutes to hit up all the hour 7. Coming up next, major stories making headlines. And the National Daily School Wakrata and all the top stories making headlines in the National Dailies. You know. And Shaba Kwadjo Sami bi atenase. Kwadjo atenase. And I'll pay you what in something now about. And you're not famous Kwadjo Akwaba. I'm joining you live on Facebook with DL 106.9. Live on YouTube. If you want to join in Jumedi, and I feel my Kwadjo Akwaba. Kwadjo, good morning.
Good morning, Rako.
Bibi Aboko, dear.
Yamiadum, Bibi Aboko.
Bibi Aboko. Yeah, sure, say Bibi Aboko, dear. Wow, it's good to be back.
Sure.
Now, and then it kind. Yeah, Papa Free Moon, just you resume fully on the morning show.
Sure.
And we are here this morning to serve your listeners with the very best of breakfast on radio. And I pay Kwadjo.
Yeah.
You didn't come on.
Brako Brando pay the Yanfa na Sema Yankopon, Mobran Super. Nanso ode ahwe yen so said ye debia da ya na wo yema ye no ye ni so pa enti ye kase de na se ani ayeye manyakopon den we humobro a ode ehwe yen en enu firi ho no nso a na ye mfa nchia emfa man ne tifo na debia da omo eti emfi anopa akopom enumre ye kasa Nyankopon ko nhyira so a wonhyira wonom anopa me kase no DJ Ghanaman butumo battery station bia dia tomo saa nso na akopie mu ewo ebiri jankama nso atome ebutumom saa nso na Dixon Bada ko droba chima dukuro piaga wachima safo saa nso na wo ankasa wo fa senior ya Dr. Man twempra nso osuhum anti mage okanhyi omodoso pa domodoso pa west nim na dofo ni nyina no pay no me maame ye friend say teliza no nyina bia di atum anope kasa na Yankopon nhyira wo no nyina Yankopon nhyira wo nyina ne yen sister na ya na ofrefri aguna saba no
sister adwa
nya me nhyira wo no pay na wonye wo nyina kase
right
na abra kobra anope nsem no de bebirina na ekoso wo mayi mu and said the nyina ye nim Yankopon ya adomende ye hwe ne mu se masibedwa no gina mu de ma de hia na wonom ewo akutia NFC akumi wafirimu and wafirimu no so no afi na o my Ghana mra na ma ho kwan se electoral commission no nhyehyɛ ne edu enfanto no na wonom ento aba na yempa na nam sini se be ya de hia wonom wo akutia no so be masibedwani na batimi aka bi ama wonom efa wo mpuntu
until then akutia by elections
yes and akutia by election
but so between Solomon Asumadu of the NPP and I feel lawyer Bernard Bediakon of the NDC na ene akutia the besi
hwese about no because wonom na black obla no pay me be yade ama me check akra ne say me bedu atomic junction no o say taxi rank na achemu wata nsanwam pokuase udu odoma mofaka no eba agbogba ne ade nyina and pipe bi apai ewo ho no ma bra kobra no woten
I see
pa na me de video no mienu kra na ma DJ afiba no de beto so na ya hwe ne ma hodo a ekoso atomic in fact enye ni kansem enye kra nsuo no ebinmu kirem se hyase ahamachi be donkro 1 am ni nsuo abra kobra nwina guo no ama ye kwan ho nyina enie o
so video na da so
yes video na ye de atoso no
Johnny live on Facebook na video no
nsuo ye nwina gu e wa atomic junction ho no mo bra kobra enye na ma ekwan ho nyina wudu abeka se nsuo ato kese pa jese nsuo na tene afa hu se filling station bi na wo kwan ho ne komo no ho no ho nyina ye nsuo chaka
asa wodi ko Bayview
I'm telling you
I see
ho no nyina ye nsuo se chaka in fact said ye koso ho no be bia nsuo ne efiri ba no no wo hu sa pavement na wuduru ho no ma cars no ewura mu de ko inside na taxi rank na ho no mo no ho no mo no pavement no minim se blocks na o mo le nanum na nsuo ni firi ha eba na said ye nsuo ne ba no ba kese pa eni enyan ba minim se bibi na ekokan bibi na anase obi na eye bibi na se pipe na pai yo se pipe na so na ahye form abre na bastard there in fact na odin na nsuo the amount of water anwina gu no black up na duru ho no ma wo ka kire obi se so obi ka kire se pipe na pai kaka wonyi ni obeka se nsuo ato fitrenu anadwa bepema no pai because nsuo a afa form ho no na ho nyina anwinu no ano odin en wo free Madina ba so akakra wadu atomic junction ho no no baby akas ne gina bus stop no e fa akra ne I mean mo ko kaso ne ade no ba ko bena ho nyina kwan mu nyina ye nsuo se chaka
I see
timidu ho kwan bi sa me ho sa adan nsuo to ha no mahamachi yana sani na ye pipe na apaya no pay ya nsuo no enti afiba fa second video no so to so na ye hwe filling station ho no ho hwe nsuo na pai free so no akọ bere we free filling station hodom e de fa for ma akọ Bayview anim hodom akọ I mean ada mo na wo kwan hwe we nyina nsuo ba akọ no e na atene fa for I'm telling you Atlantic mo hodom no hwe nsuo ni nam kwan mu nyina anope ya ene nsuo nam ha na mo saa o de hwe e kwa sane dan ho akogu gata kese na e wo kwan ni mu no hodom a jesi nsuo no aha na musie nyina we uduru abeka se nsuo na ato anope na central pipe na pai
and at the end of the day no ya ba bebele timabofo
you see na we na enwinu gu kwa no obi mba kwadime fi so obi na betua ho
kwa no so obi nso kra obe week ni ebusumi ni
ni so ma tia no pe in fact emra me kopie so no me were ho pa se adan dey na ekoso because wo hwe pipe apai na bra kobra nsu on ɛhɔ yɛ tata hɔ de mu sei na wohu no wɔ Facebook no so nyinaa no ɛyɛ pipe no mu nsuo na anwene gu no na ade hyɛ de kyerɛ mu sɛ hamakye no ɛbra kɔbra na wɔso ano nso nsuo na ne ɛba no ɛsene sɛ nsuo a I mean, ɛsɛ sɛ ɛsubɔnten a ɛyiri na bu afa so na ɛpram fa ɛkwan no ho nyinaa ne kwan no mu nyinaa ɛna ɛnam sɛ ade akye kakra nti wo sɛ pipelines no ɛdu anadwo no ahamakye a pipe no ayɛ na pressure wo mpa enti na ama ɛbu kɛseɛ paa gu kwan no mu nyinaa nanso ɛnam sɛ ade akyeɛ no ama amanfo ahyɛ aseɛ yusu de yɛ ɔmo dwumadie nti na ama pressure no akɔ fam kakra ɛnso kora no wohwɛ nsuo a ɛnwunu guru no a ɛnya nika sɛm nsuo na ɛnwuna medi akyire saa bɛdu Atlantic mɔ hɔ no ma wotumi sɛ hɔ no mu nyinaa nim hɔ no nyinaa no bra kɔbra hɔ nyinaa ne nyinaa ne firi soro no mu nyinaa and cars na yɛ firi yɛ ha no mu sɛ yɛ firi domini ade nyinaa bɛsia kɔ taxi rank ne hɔ no mu no baabi a mo branch fa no bra kɔbra kɔhwɛ sɛ deɛ ntɛkya yɛ hɔ no nsuo na tata hɔ no hɔ no mu nyinaa yɛ ntɛkya in fact inconvenience sɛ de ba no and ade hyɛ nam kwan no ho kɔ adwuma no pɛ ne bra kɔbra ɛkwan no ho no mu nyɛ baabi mfa because wontumi mfa main road no kwantempɔ no fam aka yɛ bɛbɔ baabi a wobɛfa no nsuo yi agye hɔ nyinaa bɔ so enti we deɛ srɛ Ghana Water Company Limited ɔmo ne die mu ada ɛne nyante yɛ sɛ ɔmo kaa ne ba wa ahomakye nanso ɔmo ntumi anya ho hwee and on se me the voice bi amam enti me ne ade hye ne mienu di nkɔmɔ ɛbɛyɛ sima kakra bi ntamti bo voice ne ma me na yɛntie nsɛm a mo kaayɛ na ɛbɛsrɛ Ghana Water Company Limited sɛ srɛ wɔde mada Atomic Junction hɔ no ma taxi rank nanim hɔ no in fact pipe no sɛ deɛ apaye ebugu no ɛne yɛnya yɛsrɛ wɔn nya ho bibi mfa ma yɛ
Ghana Water yɛsrɛ mo anɔpɛ sɛ mo fama ne nhyɛ Atomic Junction pipe apaye wɔ hɔ nom no na muntu ho anamɔ
by 5 na the start here but she said the short kakra that's
bas na de ho kakra bi ama
isu na edosu de isu na edosu pa ba this time that swati the said the akasom be no so penifon no tana just start here be do now de a chain so come dimi kana be ye no tentem na be bi atimi fine so ebe ha nkɔfɔ na ɔmo ara wɔ yusu no ti ɔmo hyɛ na ɔmo yɛ ɛmɔ yɛ ma ɔmo.
But around 1 o'clock, never 1 o'clock.
How much one?
Ɔmo kaa aba but they were never able to solve it either intentionally or deliberately. Yes, of course it is.
Kojo.
Nti we ade hia ɔmo gye mmerɛ ne di nkɔmɔ no pay no ɛna wɔn mo kyerem nsuo no de bi kura kyerɛ sɛ ɔno yɛ hyɛn ɔmo nyinaa yɛ hyɛnkafo baako no hyɛnkani baako no kyerem nsuo no ɔno ahamakye bɛyɛ 5 mu na ɔbɛto so a na sɛ de ebugu na anu enyan pa and dia ɔno so te Atomic Junction wɔn kyerem nsuo no hyɛ ase ahamakye bɛyɛ dɔm maako 1 am ne nsuo no atumi abu agu ama ɛhɔ no mu nyinaa yɛ sɛ pakyakye sɛ unya baby emfa wona mfansi wo yo bia wo fa kwan ho anɔpɛ yakɔ adwuma so a udu anya baby emfa wona nsi because so no enwunu je sɛ agye hɔ nyimia hɔ no mu nyina abɔ so and baby kakra benya kwan na yɛ ntɛkyɛ nko a enti ebɛsrɛ Ghana Water Company Limited we die mo ne die mu ada yɛsrɛ mo mmɔden akɔ yɛ ho bibi fi sɛ deɛ ɛkɔ so no sɛ mo antu ho anam ebedu baabi no ɔman na ɛbɔ kaguru fi sɛ nso we ne yɛ treated one a empanifo atumi asɔne so de afa mfidie mu a ɔman abɔ ho ka
na ebugu sa
na ebugu kwasa no ɛnyɛ sunsunsu dabi ɛyɛ main pipeline na nso a yɛ treated one
abuagu a
nso yɛ abuagu sa aha sɛ nyina baabi a wonam ayɛ sɛ wɔfa no pavement nso nsuo na gye hɔ nyinaa abɔ so a infata no ɔden ano ɔden so yɛtoto srɛ wo ma da ɔmanya ho bibi na ɛmmoa na nneɔma ntumi kɔnkan ɛmfa ma ɔma ɛfiri sɛ ɛba ne sɛ yɛ Ghana ɛne ɛho akɔdim yɛyɛ nkwankora yɛbɔtɔ mu a na mpanifo bɛtete a asana de akɔ akɔtua enti ɛnum anim nyada ɔmo kɔyɛ ho bibi na ɔmo mfa ma yɛ
right kɔdwo yɛhwɛ na afei no mkɔwa kratan de ayɛ krado no yɛhwɛ na yɛmfa mbrɛ atiefo but ɛnyɛ krado nso so a let's go for a quick commercial break yɛba na yɛde kɔwa kratan no mobɔ soɔ no ɛde abrɛ atiefo ha yɛ DL 106.9 quick commercial break yɛbɛbɛ sisi a
I was in a tub. The Ebe na mensumenya basha mechi. Na mensumenya ni je o mawawe mu.
Akos, na last time I went to hospital no. Na wasi di important na yewo.
Wasi me tube no mu asi. E na fibroid enso kakra. E na say, ochina say. Afi kra de ma bre.
Surgery so there. You don't need to undergo any surgery. Dreams Fertility Clinic. Yeah, Waterma. Community 22. Ekuta solution ni nyina.
Dreams Fertility Clinic.
Ane, wadi mfidie ba hwe mogya no nipadua mu. Ehuna de property. Yeah, hawo. Na kire aduro kura. Wonfama wa ebem wanyem. Womundu onya chemicals asembia wo. UK any New Zealand. Abrofu bia wa biye wa habamem ene ye nduro no. Oyo ba wo tube mu asi. Wonyi nsanya no wapon. Obra asizi ana emma kura. Fibroid, irregular menstruations. Tese bibia esi awo kwan de. Dreams Fertility Clinic. Watolete na ye mema nso e. Wasa low sperm count. Bema wa ye mbre wo mpem. Ye ntimi nyina so. Ade ma board ye so ana kudam. For Dreams Fertility Clinic 0597 225 389 and 0599 555 220 and 0597 225 388.
The luckiest.
Luck is everywhere for everyone, yeah. The luckiest. Luck is everywhere for everyone, yeah. Money we define every day and night. Mama, dada keep on hustling for the family. The luckiest. Last time 712 hash. You can win some cash. You can be the luckiest with 1 city. Luckiest with 5,000. The luckiest. The teacher got the market woman. You can be the luckiest. Oh, the luckiest. Luck is everywhere for everyone. You can be the luckiest. The luckiest. Luck is everywhere for everyone. Star 712 hash. Luck is everywhere. Luck is everywhere. Oh, tell me, are you feeling lucky? Because I'm feeling lucky. Because I'm feeling like the ultimate. That's how we go win. If I win, you win.
You could be the luckiest.
Baby girl, tinasini enko. Ekaba
na aden
kaki nebu
oh kaki keke nebu na o kasa ho salo mame fa kwa Keymax Ghana yaji atun asan ase yedi ki bia ho djuma se ya ka remote key na pe smart keys ne o pushi ya na start ni bi yesa so ya key programming ya transponde asan so eklepe ya domestic keys motorbike keys any keys ahodo nyina ensa o kaki no ayera abu achia na pesa onya foforo de ya Keymax Ghana
and you may how to a chat. Baby, family call, Namiko Sammy Kini Sia.
Keymax Ghana, I was Sapperman, Ediko Opa Quantum Pondiso, Yani Ekes Lounge, and a edition anymore. Freya 0244 288 005. Keymax Ghana, perfectly fixed.
Minia femme waso ene wo mre kakra na menka DLFM Plaza Hotels wasem tia one trail se wo pebe bia ye meetings and conferences are anyhow because DLFM Plaza Hotels a very spacious conference halls are a state of the art se e kom deal na wo pebe bi ya obenya duane a emu ode na emu ohwam na pomudin wo mu adi ana wo pe ensa papa betre abodwonsa ya so bogo mi na se ni pedua mu nyina ba yo fam anom dia menhwe be bia se DLFM Plaza Bar and restaurant. There was swimming pool, gym center, salon. Yeah, a member and a man to Mrs. One Trini. A modern event center. Yeah, very spacious with a beautiful environment into musical shows, weddings, christenings, parties, and all your refreshment programs. We've got you covered. Memory fee, weekend piano, live band music. Yeah, Ahomikawum, Nebe Sheku, Amoniaje, Echegusa, oh, DLFM Event Center, DLFM Plaza Hotels, dear, Dime Papa, in the Padem, dear, Buso, into Saope Hotel accommodation with a serene environment. Yeah, Ubenya was soon dear. Ya be punama, a 1 bedroom, any 2 bedroom apartment. Yeah, over to mini Wabusia Abetnam for a limited period. A face DLFM Plaza Hotel. A trap quine a walk about so any attention, ya Nina, a walk for you, a brin so Buhuyan Waherase, any fire service station, no, in a dish anymore. So, denta, your fraha, over to me a frey or my so 0530 45 8834 na 0207979461. Email info@diofosuplazahotel.com. Website www.diofosuplazahotel.com. Diofosu Plaza Hotels, where luxury meets comfort.
Mpenifo kan yo say yade ya entimi pa mini na kidney failure say kra de liver cancer so abeka ho
wo se wo liver ene wo kidney ena wonte Vigdank Healthcare enka Vigdank Healthcare e de 100% natural medicine esa wo liver ene wo kidney yade ni nyina
wo se Vigdank Healthcare
na nya nonko fatty liver, kidney stones, hepatitis B and C, hepatomegaly, any high cholesterol, protein in the urine, diabetes, hypertension, prostate enlargement, hydronephrosis, and pyelonephritis, any yadia huduopi. Vigdank Healthcare, na eba nimfidie so dia any awobua, wamu ultrasound scan, na uko wamo lab wana ube say yes, baby yadia ni sebia, efidie ni be yinwaba.
Enye, minuaba, dia wama matini nedei, menye ni daso.
Mesi, dia ube ya ane se ubetua na mon. Vigdank Healthcare, Ewo Spinters Road, Coca-Cola Runabout, Fidelity Junction, Standard Chartered Bank in Wachiripe. Would free 050-266-1346 and 0549-951211. Vigdank Healthcare na a healthy liver and kidney for all.
The luckiest,
oh yes,
luck is everywhere for everyone. Yeah, the luckiest.
Money is life, money the key. No matter the weather, me and you are the need. Papa is sick, it comes to the money. When you get to an insufri suku, abafie. Why you duma, near Wuhiane luck.
The luckiest,
luck is everywhere.
The luckiest.
Dial star 712 hash and stand a chance.
The luckiest.
Buy tickets for yourself and your loved one.
The luckiest. Bunkers, friends, luck is everywhere for everyone. Yeah, the luckiest.
The
luckiest.
Luck is everywhere.
The luckiest. Nurses, drivers, luck is everywhere for everyone. Yeah, the luckiest.
You could be the luckiest.
106.9, 6 minutes after 7 a.m. here. Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia Jumadiena Wuti Anapaya Busia Braso. Major stories making headlines in the national daily school. Wakratano Mboboso Samibi Nibrenie. Ubreni Ghana Futi Enquiries.
Yeah, Rakobra Medas and Aquenia with the Mammy and Openo. Yemfa Quacrata no, and who and Sama Hodom de Babontino, a fansome yet here for Sama, a dear him or Maimo de Dorsopa, and Cacra Babontino, your monitor. We are an apostle, na Ghana de Shin de Coso, Ewo or Manimuna Yenshas, and Fenfree or Kunini Daily Graphic Quacratano. Odiaba na be hu akane o man Ghana otemwofo penny. Mechire former Chief Justice the day Eddie Gertrude Alaba Isaba Tekino nimfoni da ha na musei na kuakrata ne nsema watwera fa ho ne say Justice Tekino removed as Chief Justice. President acted on Enquiry Committee's recommendation on stated misbehavior. Enti omu chire mi se Ghana man peni eti abedwoku bi no motena se na omu yenhwehwemu na edika no enipa pii na omode omu nkrata akoma Ghana man peni se o hwe oman Ghana aka no temwofo peni Gertrude Alaba Tekno aba no subia oda na die no ansem fata se obetimi ato akoso abo adwuma se oman Ghana temwofo peni ntino oman peni no anim nya oman na situ na ontu ne se banche ne no na asem wis ehya ase na ase sumina sija kakra sa o na obekọ echina da bi ma me se onko kakra sa ndrada na beto chese Ghana man penin bedwako amotena se ne hwehwɛ mu nyina bɛda di sɛ ye ma me Gertrude Alaba Tekno aka ne Chief Justice no omampene nya tuna ne sante free na ekɔ onye my Ghana Chief Justice bio kra edu baabi no podi na aban na atwena sensan nti no sensan wo sisi ade wasi ne form kra nti si ade ye ma me Alaba Alaba Tekno Gertrude onye Ghana
so man peni abone na situ
we yin we bon na situ we tu na firi so kra nti si ade we on na wi kra na kuwakata na ne fa etosi du ba ko daily graphic kuwakata na ne muso aba na no pe wo chiri mu a electoral commission aye krado say nakopon ya adom ne akutia by election no ebeto dwa wa pie mantemu na kwanchirefo opinion no na hwa abato nhyehyɛ so wa pie mantemu ne den ede John apia bafo no den semudi atudwa nti omo kyerɛ sɛ enkomodi ahodo ne nhyiamudi a omo ne amanyoku ahodo aka nyina asie gyina mo nyina kɔ benkurum sɛ nakopon ya adom kyena na electoral commission na ene enye kyena ene ya na electoral commission no ehwɛ na abato abekɔ so akutia no etimi ahyehyɛ so na wochirim sɛ bibia dadin enipa hodo mo training wo mo no bakodo mo do so wochirim sɛ 484 eye training sa mo ye officers mo kwa kwa abato no so 119 polling stations ena mo hwɛ ne mu sɛ ne aba na betuma to dwa wo sa me ahodo nyanti electoral commission for mpanifo na dia ma ne bo we dia babo ntinti ye hwɛ sɛ de mo aka na abato no ebetumi ahyase ano peya bɛyɛ no nso ko ya boye die na bibia ahyase hɔ no ma eguso ekoso sanso na IGP make say no wono mo ne special operations esinkunwa wodma power eye special operation to make akɔboa na mentemo ase ekoso ewo savannah mantemu no wono etimi aso ano krata fa to so dimienu ewo daily graphic wakata no na de honsem edi aba yankɔ yanim ne yempie mu wo daily guide ko wakata na sifuma no pene wo chirim say all set for equity by election today enti we nso besen hu eye John apia bafo no ne ye kwankyerefo pene edema ahwehwe maga na abato aso ewe pie mantemu mfoni de ha na musim ene o chim se bibia to din se de tie bia no yakopan adom ende equity by election bibia beto din ne hu nipa obetumi akwa represent adehia wonom ewo equity sanso na temale central NDC crest 12 aspirants for September 6 eye pool nyasem kumo se obekaya Mutala Mohammed yanka Ghana for yaw ena beto dwa se bamu wood na pakan be fa nam eye plane crash si ye no na ona ye mashibedwa de made show mo temale central na yes krani chiri mi se ekunwa so eto sa na ni pepi na ni abere so betumi akwa plane kunwa ne bie na nkra beto dwa sisi ni chiri mu abra ko branya sem kuma NDC for makoma dumie no 12 ene se mpenifo chiri ma wono mu nyina aye krado a wonom etimi ekwakosi kunwa na wakwa pre akunwa ne bie kwa pre kunwa ne bie enti nyasem kuma kra de se mekese die ageta nipa makoma
so wonim sa kunwa tonso a ana adehye
pre ho enti NDC amanyukuru mu makoma 12 dumie no ene ekwa pre bia ye hwe ne mu se sisi mpenifo age omatum se makoma dumie no ne nkonkɔ pre akunwa ba akopɛ
okay
enti ye hwe se yakopon ya adoma ebobo suma woni de toso ensia na sa abato no bekoso nti ye hwe ne mu ye hwe ne mu bitimi akwakode mu nkonem sanso na Mahama makes history sax CG Tokno nti obehu Ghana man penifo ni da ha no misi anda afin so akane Ghana otemofo penifo mfoni da ha no misi na sede omaye infoni no ayese otemofo penin dada oye akane otemofo penin no ase ode niti ene na ha nyina ato Ghana man penin John Dramani ode na ato no kokoso ni tato no kokoso sana kuakrata na omaye infoni no na ochirim se Ghana man penin ya bekosem ka siefise minso omayi muda watumi gya ne tumi so apam otemofo penin dia emu ohu pa kuakrata de won sensem dia ba anopai sanso na black abeto dwa se sutum basa bi koso mra na homo wa fashe no nse ye koso ametutu ye ema nipa tu etumi nipa bi atumi ahwe omo nkwa na nkra na chirim se nipa mienu mekase mpenifo ache wonom efa basa ye koso sutum nipa bi awuo no omo kwa kojama na mra etimi ne omo edi sanso nipa makoma dum duonu mienu 12 omo kwa kohye galamsey pit mu ebuagu omo so 22 drone in Galamsey pit nadmufo na ede aba aso ehwe o Ghana atoyenchem dwumadie so no mo kasese nipa makoma 22 duonu mienu ana mekase muna Galamsey muna ebuagu o so a akwaye arahosemi pa no pay daily guide kwakata de ho amanebo ede aba anopen na yanko anim na the Ghanaian Times esifo na be ho akane otemwafo penny Chief Justice Alaba is about Tekno Gertrude and Omuchim says CJ fired on grounds of stated misbehavior. Just one nesupedi intendo mujina so Ghana man penny edia pamono agene to media full name say otemwafo penny ewo omeyimum na yanko ya nimpiem the chronicle kwaka tenesi fuma no penny will be or say why Mahama has removed CJ Tekno and also kwaka tayi bisa said the entire Ghana man penny etimi etu okane Ghana eye otemwafo penny adieswe and so kwaka tan dia ba ensem na wonsa kamina kankanya ubenya munchire munyina. Samson executive interfere in judiciary is dangerous. Kwesi Botwe Junior nani abre ochim se ye nwanwa se ne o man Ghana judiciary se atemu adwa ne o mayi mu na atemu akonwa pa so mampani etimi de nsa bogura mu sa kire de enkwade a na Ghana de ekwe de atenten ne babia bio chese aban bia babia betumi de nsa ewurawura atemu mu ntino se bibi koso na se enya ne da woye den aban ne se bi so wuri a na ma bia anya kura ntumi ni for da fi se ono nipa ba kwatena ho no maka bia ma no nti sa na chechiro man so na Ghana ewan anamompa ye wanamo bitwa Kwesi Botwe Junior eka ho nsem say in fact kwen ho do Ghana man pani John Dramani Mahama fa so apam Chief Justice ne de kire say we de Ghana o manyi matemu hu sensem de si ya hwene ye bedu baabi no injustice pa be koso o manyi be hadwen ye pa ko akatai ede ho sensem de ba sa so na de twum to MPP delegates aka no so afo no he Ghana adusia eso no kra nso kopiem bosomtwe match bedwan no na wakase chirim sem vote for me and I will make Ghana great. Edichum nie o chirim se MPP delegate no monto aba na fama na oba pe Ghana ebe yeso nko na be kra be hwe kra amamo ne beje pass in fact mato aba pa ko akrete ede ho ensem diaba anopei na sanso na nyankoya ni mo na the business analyst nso diaba na omu chirim say an undeclared $1 million cash export threaten economy. Bank of Ghana Governor Andy Johnson me wafase Johnson no esiama okase chirim sem undeclared $1 million cash export threaten economy and so keka o kire na adwen wa ha Ghana yensika sem ye na du ba bia na $US na de ho tototo so na o chirim se ha adwen pa ntomugu so yenhye so mbebo na Ghana sika sem de etume konkansa so na the national forum so de aba na wo chirim sem scandals at Crusac obisa o asembisa scandals at Crusac obisa sabasa ibi no ma bi koso class Crusac for penny for akachi ana kwa akate de won sensem de aba obisa Samson and young doctors to strike obisa for 8 months without pay entemu chirima a doctor for enketwa we a doctor for nketen a doctor for me mebunu a mo no omo se adwuma ase na nhyɛ da nche bia omo chirim se sa mebunu omo ye doctors no abosom ma akoma be de se nwotwe ka pre omo nsan kan bi bosom ma akoma nwotwe 8 months ni omo nya kitua da enti omo hwe ne so mmekwa kotie atua na efise sebe obi be ye adwuma na nipa no o nya kitua de adan bo ne benti ene so ye ensempia kwa krata idea da so no the national forum so de ho sensem de aba na sanse na kotia decide MPP or NDC constituent vote today ntene ho sensem no abatro no ebekọ de ama MPP anase NDC ana ene so ko kata na de aba no pe sanso na the archives enso asifoma no pe the archives asifom no chirim sem tension escalates in Tontokrom over Asanko mines military deployment. Tension escalates in Tontokrom over Asanko mines military deployment. And when some de bebre na behu a posifo and afin so Ghana Armed Forces mpenifo ni da ha no me sei na FMC black obanya sim ko mu chirim se ne mpenifo de posifo no kope na abanya mu ni pa bi so chirim se mo nsan machi nko wo boa yente ase monte ase kufuma gudie na yebetu akwa kata de ho sensem ede abano person na regional minister vows to halt cocoa smuggling in voter Antibota regional eye minister chiremi say sa cocoa smuggler na ye koso framantem ne de ordinance so ebi nsi bi woda adehia mo framantem mobo akra obi antumi fa cocoa fa kuntuna se enkonkoton DJ afiba so ye adwuma no pa in fact kurakata me bo dia na ode ababa to Facebook no so DJ nyame nshira pa na adwuma dia no pa wo bo enti ya pompen penifo behwe mo de dipeche wate penifo behwe penifo behwe pa na the dispatch kurakata next from no pen wo chiri msem Mahama removes Chief Justice Tekno from office yaka ho asem ti we yenka ho asem bio kra Sansana address Bawa lament silence struggles women face in politics enti muteli Bawa me wafa ase ochirima edu baabi a ma na mo hura manyosem no de na eden pa o eden pa edu baabi a omuni kamafo enkon kan fama wo no ma wakasa wa hanum edu baabi a de brebia mo hwani mu so mo sabaka ne nyina chiritin wakasa wa ha Sansana medical officer on the fight against sickle cell, a medical officer on the fight against sickle cell. And a doctor former Bempa, Yeshimua, one etumi eboa massacre cell, no etumi eco from no Macasa Hana person, Mugusua Boy, Madia Bois, Nana Metumia Conkai, now more sickle cell, Yadiano, Nakopon Boana, etimako from Sansuna graphic business, Eddie Abasen, jobless rate edges down. Jobless rate edges down. Now, Momutim is a bet concern over youth unemployment lingers. Enti, nyuma na mutim se kakra enyuma gusu banka kranka kana mo meka se de mebu na munya dwuma ye ne de dada na o difference bia mai dada na mebu ne nya dwuma nye aw how pa daga na mebu so no atete pa ko akraten ede ho sensem ede abasa so no so afo hwe o maga na nsase ne efum agudi etuo so mo fa so e mase bedwane de ma de shomo welempele Emmanuel Amakofibu a echirim sem obo ne ho modern bia se fuma gudi a enipa bi nam koti kwan so tu no besi eho kwanti LI 2462 no obeye firi honom emre ma ho kwam obi kwayem kutu fuma gudi no betwam se hu na boa ema saa enipa bi amdem na hye omusem etu efuma gudi ekoti kwan so no wotumatu ase moman eye galamse no eso etimi etwakra Sanso ena galamse free for all. Pepres sack IGP task force. Minus back on site. Hey, enyasem kuma. Brakolo mu chire mi sem. Ene pepra odi achintima ye pa. Ewe ndisi ama yokui akache. Na mu chire mi sem. IGP ede ne mebunu ko ye se enkaja galamse na ekoso nka o munya ekra. Nanso o mu chire wa pepra na gene tumi so apam IGP. Gano posi sahene mlante so bia firi o monko. Mumfiri onko kra. Wasade mlante na kwa site se munkutu fuma gudie no muntu ni nyefu wo mo se galamse free for all nyasem kuma a wo mu do mu se benkum ni mfa nyina etu a aye nsempia kwa kratai ede ho sensem ede abasa so na dirty crash secret loot lies and betrayal in giant and I mean sure ade ni ye wa hasa giant and pays courtroom crash ahun sensem bebre na wo mu kirem se dirty crash secret bi koso a ohun se obeka ya sensem bi na ne koso efa jan ene ehun sensem bebre na wo mu kirem sensem ahodo ekoso in fact kataso se bi ya koso asikadie bi ya fakuntuna se ehun ye nchendi bi koso saa na efi so ntro ene nyima bi koso a aye sempi na de afa ho asa sensem so krokete yensi na no wo ho anape de mu sensem de aba don't send them. Na saso na daybreak de aba na wo chiri mi say 10 bags of rice, 2 cans of oil for Ghanaian refugees in Cote d'Ivoire. Akwa kete de won sensem de aba make say de mbo ho modern say Ghana for makwatu kwatna maso ye hye no 10 bags of rice mono makoma du bags na ye du na 2 cans of oil no so mon saka omba modern akotwa mo nim spededi akwa kete de won sensem de aba ko bran sem de dos na so ebre de no yenyina we sina fa ko akata na poso dwumadie no emfense no pele dwumadie ahodo aka no ento ato aso anapai
right kwajo same bia no pay me das papa some major stories making headlines in the national dailies ko wakata emoboso no wo dia bretifo a wo tie deal 106.9 anapai join you live on Facebook ba now do comment e dia to ho na fe yeso yagebre akeka ni nyina e dia ma so we streaming live on Facebook on DL 106.9 aha e deal ohanis here and this is the Breakfast Show.
Wake up, Ghana. It's a brand new day, and it's time to rise and shine. Tune in to the Breakfast Show live on DLFM 106.9 with the Hitman right here. Anidaso Wɔhɔ, Obia.
Mama
Anidaso Wɔhɔ, we are 28 minutes after 7. Another experience that ultimate in comfort and luxury. Our view for Su Plaza Hotels, and I make come from one mount. I can't want to so much show and I pay. The Ofosu Plaza Hotels. The Okofrodia Brina Fiadenta. At a Chimo Botan Sokofrodia. A Burashedia Sadenta for Fraham. Your comfortable and luxurious rooms for honor. Conference room for all your conferences. Events grounds, events be a wee beyond the patch of a brown. The Ofosu Plaza Hotel. Swimming pool Papa Bean. Restaurant Papa Bean. And in local continental. Nigerian Chap, I want some friend penny for. For your reservation. 05304 58834. 05304 58834. 020 7979 461. Come and experience the perfect blend of luxury and comfort. What do you for Su Plaza Hotel? So, baby, I don't know what I need you for Su Plaza Hotel. Special good morning going out to you, Mami and Yama. Mami and Yama of House of DL. Mami, that is it. Special good morning going out to you. Say I'm pending the message about good morning, bro. I've been our friend Shraba. We thank God for our life this morning. Keep up the good work. Watching you live from where you be inside Valley View University.
And time to tune in to your number one breakfast show on DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ. With your host, the one and only Hitman.
The one and only Hitman. News, interviews, newspaper headlines, current affairs, Monday to Friday from 6 a.m. sharp.
Start your morning right, stay informed, and get inspired. Only on DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia.
Indeed, Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia no pay 106.9 Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia Jumadi no na wasuguswa. We streaming live on Facebook, live on YouTube. And I pay Shaba Kwadwo Samibi Atenase Kwadwo Majibium.
Major Sabrakobra.
We be about Kodian.
Yen
din command pay.
Sure.
And then a bobos when de to sumi you know. Na uko piemu akwatia. And then a by elections no ebaswam. And it's between MPP and the NDC. Ora Solomon Asumedu representing New Patriotic Party. And I feel lawyer Bernard Bediakon and so representing the NDC. Nene by elections no koso wakwatia. More than 50,000 registered voters and they expect to say wabeto anaba na fe wa yimra sebenwa ni fofora wa ba besi de wa firi mu no anan kwadwo akwatia by elections a koso na neno yendi hu nkomo
right black comedy camera say na ansan bebo awura kwatia de mu no yemfa na se magana fo bi odi etosum yenu efa yem papa me do form ne na wotwe ni mu nyina no mo de aboye no yem papa abusua ene abedwakwa ye mpenifo ate omohwe yem papa ne na wotwe ne na yi ntutu yeso no ye da omase ni DLFM adwuma eko ni ye da Ghana de hia se pa ni odo kese na do ya wo ye eda na dide kire yem papa abusua nyame nhira wo nom na ye ne yehwe ni mu se de omo ye na ye papa yi nso mpenifo de date ne ba bonte on be di echi asan kobo aye sa na bibia etumi akonkan de amaye nti empa na ebosi bibia enti me enko kama enfama nti de Ghana fo ase ekwasan so da o mase bio na nyankopon kwaso a enye o mokase a di bia o mahwere no nyankopon ma wo no msa ensoso bra kobna ansa na be wura kwatie de ne mu no me yenko ye chi kakra Ghana for beka ya emra ekodom pempen so bia
tie for say ya kasai abatwa na hyase
sure
e wa kwatia mamiti
okay abatwa de se wo mu na obi ho kan na se obi firi mu wo mayi mu a emra kwan so no eye se empenifo nhyehyeye na aba no enipa no yetumi to aba foforo epa obi ekokogina saa biakro anase constituency no yenye obi kogina mu de ma de hye mo honom se be beboa na mpotodwuma no akọ eso ewo honom na bakobna na nsenya mu ho na yenya yenim de sie wa blekuma not abato empisua so enam honom so de akoto about 2024 a yenya obia a odi mu nkunim ewo honom a eno no ekoye twetwetwe na asra nya basa yakopon ya adoma aso ehwe Ghana abato so electoral commission yen hyehye ma yekokoto sa aba no ene enim de sie kakra. In fact, the see na ni enyan. O hwa asotro ene nipa etumi huriye. Se obi a o art movie. Ko bo nipa to from kremo se po kekra. Papa nipa som buru nipa wo hono ma. Aya na me na ye metan kakra. Nsem we no, endo na me ka aya na sometimes edu bia na me pese me ka Ghana abato ho nsem because ana eye metan. Rakob na aya na eye metan. Die enti America sa ne se abato yekoto eye adwuma na aba ma obi o obi papa ena kwanya ma no so okwa pesika de abehwe ne fie die enti na America sa yenim aba na yetu wi a edien pa na mpanifo ne yema oman ene ade hye omo wasa mpotema hodo no me problem no nie o se yebeto abe no omania brigidi kwahwe wo de opa tuka ne kwa akutia na kwahwe Ghana mpanifo mo akwa akutia ne. Just go there. Kwa kutia ne na kwa hwe nipa bodompem. Empenifo ahodo ne convoy ni V8 ahodo abehu na kutia ne. Abato ni ntra. Tumio. Bero munya tumi ni wi ade pote pa no mode yema Ghana fo. Ne me problem no. Sa o ha o man ne mu ne mpuntudwuma enkoso no. Wo hu ne se empenifo wo yatumi tutu o mokasa ahodo ekoyemwa wo na mum tumi akonwa tofoma. Hwa honkeka eni ebekum nipa mponi agitumi a odi a okay with it nsem hunu nko a sabi nsem hunu nko a eya me yamba pada fo mti no aya na nsem ni bi ho ha me mpese meka nsem hunu nko a odi kokohwe empanimfo motutu kasa hodo akohye akutia adentira akonwato ye kopritumi go there esumika sasa atena mpuntudwo bebre na ho ese omonye Sama nyoku akese mienu we ni mo no ho. Tumi ni nyango no mwese ni nipa nkwa e wo manyim. Yesere won de esi akutia no. Yempese bi besi bio. they see Messi Akutia, they see a Blakuma not in Anseno. They see a Blakuma not in Anseno. Yam Pese Bibesi Bio. Sa Empamro. Ene tutuono yempese bibesi yewa ena Blakuma not omutume bro nsam twerefo papa bi no so mo ha na mekosi sen yemisa Black Obra wate ho nsam bio me wafa se ba na hene oye adwuma wo EIB network GH1 TV omo pa no sum wo honom officer efa kire pa na ni so take size wabatu no bo no sum ekosi sen nsam twerefo a omo tu tia gas pete mani ho no de ade mako fa wo mani achi ewa Blakuma not ekosi sen yenim de si yo tumio nipa ba ko pe a we petumi ama no akogine mu de ama man se so ampa se be senka ye papa bi ne yesi ye be so ampa anka Black Obra nka be buru nipa senya pesemi nkumnya na difudo pe ena nipa bi ye pa ena o man kasa boto no mabusua ena mo dwene ho no nka o manyi ho adwene ye dwan Black Obra anka ko petumi abesoma ye buru nipa dabi eya som na mpa se de mo ka ne se mo pese mo gitumi besoma mpa osom so nka Black Obra nka ye buru obi wo ho ana dabi osom de nsanka ne enipa ne pe na de ahye wonsa na nka gya wakwa akosom enam se nya som na mo kosom ne nam sika tefa lejak I mean cash na mo kopenti ena mo buru nipa kunkum nipa no nya bibia o tumi na mo pre no mo nim de wo mu nti o ka mo se enya sika bia sika nimu a aka motumi tutu buru nipa e papa nipa som miandra minyatam ehwe mfoni ahodo ekoso akwetia Black Obra me simpenimfo twotwo huro ma akohye akwetia no I'm telling you enya semkuma
they are campaigning
by election ba kope
penifo bebre
but they kwan nam so ko ne nye ekire din ya besre and wo hwe electoral commission officer na director no me wo faase John bafo ne kasa mu a wo kire mu se o bibia to din ye hwe se de o maka no de mra na be ye adwuma pepe se de tie because we can't afford to say be hwire ni pankwan wa kutia ene ma ba 20 we can't afford say ba koto aba ne na nipa ewu yempese bibesi because ana ya so ordinarily Ghanaian na de no wutu Ghana ni fo so ana wo mfanti ana eya abatu yi krache eden ya na wanya afiri mu aba watu from day one up to now ade pa na wanya afiri mu enti no ukwa akoye wo ho ageman akoto twede menye ku atwene yei abatu yi watu aba fitiri kwa menkoma be so bepem ne ede pote pa na wanya afiri mu enti enu nti no twintwina atwan ukoye wo ho ageman menye ko botu akun yi krache wotu aba wi afiri okofie kwa oba bi kwotena ekire din we don't want a situation whereby say yato aba na kwaba ni gina wo na odin hu rewuram na ne hwene rewuram saa na gidigidi na agi bum na ordinarily Ghanaian wa wo ho kyerɛw ebia de obedi mponi ho na watena wo akoye sabia kodinsim hu ne yaku atwene ha wo fe na hu se politician bi yakoto aba aye gidigidi ayaku ne da aya wotibi sentokwasi a aya na wo ma mu ni bi na mo ho kam gidigidi ne ba apostifo no bo figures no ho penifo no ho ban that is the truth a positive no bo man omo nyina ho ban no aya omo ni company fo no ho more than ordinarily Ghanaian enti wo kono ma wadwene nya adwuma aba no koto na so de kofie wotu wi akofie kura wo de otu wi kura de opa kokoto na ba bedwene ho na tie results na numere asa then so me de mempene mente ase we ya nwini a mempene kura abato ya adwenkyere wo du kokuromboti na ekosi mi ballot paper no so akere se we na me pɛ no wotu wi a wa wi wa take decision wi kofie koto na ba bedwene ho banyan kwoti asema electoral commission wo mo da letter for Eastern region apia bafo eka ya no check we na me de ma wo no so obi hu wo mu ana yenti enhyehyɛ ahodo so mu de agu akwan mu ne de mo expecting ne ne ye hwɛ ne yiwie ne yensan kɔ ye maame Grace ansa Krofi ACP Grace ansa Krofi ona ye director at the public affairs Ghana Post Service ono so akasa fa ho ne yenti omo voices
apia bafo
we've gotten all the material that we need for the elections. The ballot papers, we have received them, we've packaged them, the BVDs, the registers and all other materials are ready now. So we are ready for tomorrow early in the morning. Then we do the distribution so that the election will commence as early as 7 a.m. as it is in the law. So we are ready. When it comes to our election officials, we have recruited 484 election officials. They are the returning officers, deputy returning officers, presiding officers, technicians, name reference list officers, verification officers, and ballot. We've sent all of them to classroom and we've trained them on the electoral process. There are do's and don'ts. So I would say that they are also ready. So commission is ready for tomorrow's elections. We engaged them. We had a DIPAC meeting with them here in Akwetia last Wednesday, and we discussed all the issues with regards to the elections. And they even prayed their support that they will also ensure that we have peaceful elections. In fact, we told them their do's and don'ts, the number of agents that they are supposed to send to the various polling stations, and the agent to be sent to the collation centers. And they all agree. So everything is cool. They should come out in their numbers to vote. Once they are registered voters, it is because of them that we are here. So they should come out in their numbers to vote. They should not be afraid. The security people here are here to protect them. So they should not be afraid. They should come out in their numbers. And then those coming from outside, it is like with the people who are voting. So they should come and not come and create any chaotic scene, but they should, respect the rules, the laws governing the election, so that at the end, all of us will have successful by-elections in Akwetia.
Okay. So Apia Bafo.
Yeah.
And the attending Kano.
No, Eastern Regional
Director
at the
Electoral Commission.
John Apia
so Director for Eastern Region Electoral Commission.
Yeah.
Ura Apia Bafo and Wakasado.
Osi bibia ye din nti no mo hwese ne bia me ahodo ebeto aba ne 119 polling stations across the constituency, and then one training officers ma 484 no mo kwa hwe abato no so na bibia ye din to mo chire mi say akade ne de bibia de din mo hwe ne mu say timamufo no bedi mna so Ghana de hia mo kwa akoto aba wa Akwetia no obia medi mna so na aboa na abato no bibia etumeto din na wo hwe ye maame ACP Grace ansa akrufi the letter of public affairs Ghana Police Service nso a o se o ma ye krado pasa ho ba monsem ne be kon kan nti wa wonem
kodo Ghana Police Service Ablekuma elections e course no we be can say ya so why krado and at the end of the day no koyensem foforo
nti wo de yentia nenu asem ye wi a beti asiwo na de ye wono so ye de atudwa fa ho.
Patrols. As we've informed you, the Ghana Police Service has deployed massively to Akwetia, and our objective is to ensure that the election proceeds smoothly and we have a peaceful by-election. We are here to ensure the security of every person in Akwetia, including every person who will go out on the election day to vote. Once again, we want to assure you that if you see our men in town, just remember that we are here because of you. We are here because of your safety. We are here because of your security. As our Director General of Operations informed you the other day, our men are on the ground. Adequate vehicles have been deployed. Our mobile patrol teams are on. The Black Maria is also available. That is our mobile cells. We are here to ensure that everyone is safe. And we also once again want to throw a word of caution to those who want to foment trouble, that we are prepared for you and will deal with you according to the law. Today, as you witnessed, the community assurance patrols areas doing community engagements just to let the community know that we are here mainly to ensure security, law and order. People are speculating that, some people are afraid they will come. No, we want everybody to know that the police stands for protection. We stand for safety. We stand for everybody's security. So feel free, be reassured that wherever you see any police officer, know that they are there for you in particular.
Okay, so the police stands for safety and security.
ACP Grace and San Akrufi, Director of Public Affairs
for the Ghana Police Service.
Na nkomo na wo de atudwa ne de ya de a eyenkuranhyesem na emu ode pa.
Okay.
Sa de hye no bia onum se wo akwanya se obeto aba ne bi. Enne e wa Akwetia no. Obetumi akwa akoto aba ho ba monsem no mo de ne magu akwamu a bibia betumi akokama na obia etumi akwa akoto na aba.
Akodo wonim sa Akwetia elections akoso from 1996 up to 2024.
Sure.
I am daha etumi ye NDC, etumi ye MPP.
Sure.
Now 1996 elections of course one between NDC and MPP. Ura Mohammed Esiam enya 57.19%. Anna Francis Ebre of the NPP enya 33.11%. Now just in 1996 a comma NDC. Now yeah 2000 between Ora Kingston Akomia Kusi and Afi Ahmed J Mohammed. Ora Kisi enya 48.9%. And Ora Ahmed J Mohammed enya 42.75. Not just say 2000 and so akọ Ediama NPP. 2004 elections a ekoso ewa kwetia. So results no ekoso pa. Na between Ora Kisi of the NPP and Afi Baba Jama Ahmed of the NDC. Uraki Senior 26.13% and Afi Baba Jamal Enya 23.57%. Not just say Asakwa Ediama NPP. 2008 elections a course so akwetia. Elections no a course so. But when you brain to know what the main skip na fe ye 2012 for the year 2016 na fe ye the ekika hunina. So 2012 elections a course no between Dr. K. Asare and Afi Baba Jamal. Baba Jamal enya 50.44% and Afi Dr. K. Asare of the MPP enya 49.07%. 2016 elections are a course wa kwetia. And also say and results in the koye. Adu Jamfi Mercy and Afi Baba Jamal and the kujinaye. Ye na Afi Adu Jamfi Mercy and 57.21 and Afi Baba Jamal and 42.45. That is elections, man edaha ayana edaha. 2020 elections are a course ewa kwetia. Ora Ernest Kumi, the late Ernest Kumi of the NPP and Afi Henry Yadom Bwachi of the NDC. Ye na Henry Bwachi Yadom of the NDC and 51.5% and Ora and Eskumi and 48.5%. 2024 elections are a course ewa kwetia. Say and a results no ekoye. Henry Yadom Bwachi of the NDC versus Eskumi of the MPP. Ye na Eskumi and 52.83% and Henry Yadom Bwachi of the NDC and 47.17%. But you saw kwetia by elections no ekoswe no. History kakra when it comes to you were to me really any percentages from 1996 up to 2024 home komo and akwadwo media ba no
Ebra ko bra meda se na me no ohu saa akwatia ba ye ba betue no me Ghana bato ne de bra ko bra nipa obedi nkonim de ana hia me memfa o mo ho kura saa MPP na nisifo no kura de memfa obi aho me de no that's me ade a yehwe ni mu ye mpuntu ade hye omo akwatia benya political colors na me hia me yemfa anya hwe ade a Ghana fo hwe ni mu eye se mpuntu dwuma ni nipa wo ye competent se nipa wo ye ditumi hye ne se obetumi aboa mpuntu akoso ewa akwatia no na ye me dadwen na me medwen hu ye woni pa pi na ditumi ama wo mo mu ha bra kwabla de pa na ye nya firi wo mo en ho asem na me hye ase na me ka ba no what the previously we be din kunim we ye sei edi pa na de hye omo potem ho no wono gbanya yewie ne san ba Grace ansa krofin nkomo do tu bia ne so edi enipa na okoto aba no edi pa na ye ne de ewum die ne obenya wa abatu no this are the things na me hwe ni mu senka Ghana mpanifo ne sebe won betena se adwene hu ye sebe aba na ya san la ekoto ne sa no that day na so obi kwa adwuma na okoye adwuma nso na mabato no nti wa anko na okoto no de amfa so no obenya wo so no wonder said ne ye call by elections are turn out na yellow omu say ablekumade no dodo na ankoto yes that is the truth and 2024 nipa pi anto aba e wo manyim enam se Ghana fo na adwene ho ahunu say enipa binom eni mpanifo ne de yagura topre o mahunu say sebe ye ne yagimi enti ne je say ye kwoto aba ne nyina chi de hia wo no mfa so de no modwene ho de o mfa ye ho de a ye nso ye afa ye ho adwen enenya mwanwase ebenya low turnout e wa kutia bio yes I'm expecting it say ne enya mwanwase ebesenya low turnout because kwanya mo de Ghana fo fa so no yesi Ghana ni bia sesa na adwen Ghana ni bia wodwen kwa akire bia wodwene na daachi na o ma no ho no sesa na adwen ba se first na ye gibum ekopre abato gidigidi no a time is coming na Ghana ni kura wa kwagina box no koto aba na hwe ba ko je ko pa ne chewa so koto aba because empanifo no amenya te ase say enye yenti no mo ba no mo ba so mo behwe o mankasa abusua na mo kutu obotom any party omo ba for o mankasa yefunu mo abusua any party na mo menye oman enti Ghana for na atase adwene wa hunu say eye nkwasi adwuma na politicians ne de ye enti obi afa na ho adwene mako enye fine wozina meka kire say kohwe mpanifo matutu kasa akwakutia abato ba akupu nipa ba akupe only one constituency kohwe ahenya hodo atutudia kosi wo ekopere akobɔ ho ban parties ahodo MPP NDC enya tumi abohu macho guys no mepie ewa akutia ubehu mranti akatra no mepie ewa kwase ekobɔ ban of which aye wo police service wa eba ne sen ena blekuma not abato no post for enipa bi di ade katakata wo mani eze max hihye wo mani adentra black obra adentra ye koto aba adenti no Obia yesi so ye Ghana Police Service mrante ampa adenti na so ode ade kata nanim Ghana police form ran sa na kire Obia okope bone di na okata nanim enipa okodi bone ena okata nanim na wa wadwene mu fan na mra kwa so na wo si de kata wanim wo hide wo face sen enti ene yempese ye behu sa de ne bio yempese obi be free Ghana Police Service ko ye adwuma wo okwa akweti akobɔ ban na wakata nanim we don't want to see that and then asa that nso no adenti na mpanifo tena se na amanyoko na nkasa for mo internal security ekɔ ho I don't get it black obra ya what say other countries no yesua wonom democracy no aya ohunu say ya omoye bia na kwa no ne say US for to aba na political party na nkasa for no an internal security for na macho guys edi akiri gidigidi ya mpene ya kwata ballot box di dwane ana aya ohunu bi
okro munya free and fair elections so ho
ye ni mie yo ye nye serious ba kokra ye ni mie ba kokra
right kojo
oh yes say to me tenase na political parties for mankasa internal security ko bwa abato ho ban na yetumi buru nipa na omra ye wa posifo ye tu omaka wo man mu dia na sa agro na yedie na Ghana Police Service na mo koy na mo so mfa so ne sen enu ntedu ba bia sa wo hwede isi ablekuma na won say posifo no bi do mo say guo machi yes political parties no atumi aw resource wo mo mlante more than the police service that is the secret wo no no yes akade asa amacho guys na go no police ni nkitabi into police ne kura mfa na kwankodo ato pressa enu bi na ekọ so ablekuma not hu say ye boni pato from na police for ho pa na so na bi gina ho hwe adentra
right
and a police ni suru macho guy adentra because party now resources are enipa more than police ni no kura na no ko gina no tumi bia and wo suru okoye mpo no hwe ni ye kura ye san be gina di because enne yam political system no agi ba bia boso ye to abawia oman ne ya party dia enye Ghana ni die bio and that is the truth NDC MPP sane enemu ye to abawie pe na aba na aba be party ni oman na be party ni dia de ope na odi police service ye de ope na odi ahomba monsem e de ye wo mam ni ye de ye gra to pre
right
and these are the things we don't want to see it and ekutia ye besre wonom
right
omonwene Ghana fo ho
kwadwa na pay me das papa pa na pay yenchia Kinwale president of House of DL Wale Kinwale no pay yenchia papa braso mame fa calls ne kakra 059340 6565 059340 6565 0534 050 199 and open sama ya Kenya no wonso wadwenkyere and say 0593 kwadwo
na asemba konso ho na yese yeka ho asem ba kon sa so tuom no listeners ne mfanche mo ntwen just a few minutes wenem sa so tuom ahomo festival ye ko su ya nipa o makotwetu akum nipa ya besre homo ho no sa afashi no na nanom no mo beboa ye betwa asa beje nkraman tu ho no mu ya ye ka ne se ga adambi no o mo bre pa eye kom fitaa no mo kene ye eboa ye enti sa pempenso ni do mo hyefa sa na o mo de kire bra o ma bre na fi nuane a aba na nipa ho to no wonkrabupune mantem ha sei no na krobane atumi akofatu akoto sesen de ekoso atifide mantem ni yentumi nso anu wie yo we beg them de ekoso atifide mantem boko savana otini ade no yenwie ho asem ka enti Ghana mebu no mo adwene mu mo adwene mu nte no munya sa 7 nsem hunu no ekodi afasha ye tutu sei
yo good morning
sir
me ba your friend say
your friend Mr. Ado former president because feel some
you mama nti wana pay
offer me anyamiase and then me first day I made team station
okay
I mean Shiramu. Na one abattoir nanti mebo this time me na me kita trailer me ko North Kofa no pa but bokonto kwanti ama mejuma ko aka se metifie enti posifo we nyina wo ho ana yo no ni president mutumi fo mkogu boku ani sabana nsisi na abattoir keke akotia keke mode sa posifo ayi abate se we timba ekogu no mkoye den anu ne me question baako ne atu aso no so ye adenti ne wo se ye to aba ama ne basa wo ya ye mem adenti ne wo se ye to aba ama ne basa ya me nshirawo
you yes so yeah that's a pass what to be a friend of 0593 406565 0534 050199 and pay by elections are ekoso wakotia ana yedi hu komo. Good morning. Me ba che fro say you nana mami nti wana pay
me facho na me pese we dey asimbusa say inti papa se bi fa se bi say MP wawu inti omo ti benya hihye bia se bi MP ni buwa da party na no omfa obi si na nan de nyame do no se by election nga se dura me election dura no mato aba omo ni san hihye na na
ba enya sanity
kami nguni se papa ka we ya dia se ya ko se ka ho NDC for the was who are on problem for to the next 4 years, now you are two about. We are the circle says come home. Emra say and penny from Papa 77 or more journey quickly. Never one more M1 and first with Emma. Did much your mind? I think, Papa. This is a moment of Kabi woman. More dear when I'm on Kabi. The dear there, yeah, one of the BT, you know, send my papa more about boy.
Yeah, that's a part. Thank you so much for calling. Good morning.
Good morning, brother.
But your Frosty.
Mami
too. Mami too, I no pay.
I no pay here. Instaba against
Tell me, you through radio. No, am I a bad feedback? Or how I?
Dana, impossible that Ben is here. I'm afraid at the ever problem. Media coming back upon and I'm black. I'm not on a minute.
What make you pointed here?
They're coming against that conclusion because I let say, but you can't move here. It's true.
Okay.
The other there will be where you are. Now, Anka, the same party, no, how much you see the power more than ever. I didn't even so. I won't answer by election, and the assistant the normal. Oh,
but Tommy made us what make you points. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba Jeff Rose.
Me brambacho dada uli mikaze free as in suwa.
Dada uli maminti wana pay.
The mechanic say police penny any easy penny o mpaso ane so abe kasa bibri. Na the mihuni say abe kumadie no omo kasa ni echensi omo kan chensi na should be BC. Na we omo abe kan mi gidi say abe kumadie no omo de esua de kesi. Enti police penny abe kasa ye hwe say we should insiana because na obraba kun kasa ho no say a police fu gina no ma fodu o mo say go mo chen ni a chekire okwabra ne na to form ye hwe say we sa ensi dasi
yo Dada Willie, that's a passer one so what to me a friend pay. Solomon Kwabne fan pay live on Facebook. I say good morning, Hitman, watching you live from Palma de Mallorca all the way Spain. Kwabna Asamoah, good morning, Hitman, and Inshaba. We thank God for the gift of life. Bismarck Edu said in the message about Anope was the most educative morning show in the capital and beyond. Good morning.
Good morning, Hitman.
Your first say. I mean too.
Me pacho na mo hope say.
Na me adom ye ho ye.
Me nyankopon ase. Me pacho. Me so me de kakra me kan say. Ghana mine. Ye wo fo free and kwala so ni empanimfo so mabuno so. Ye mine no ye nhwe ni ye na ye nkekere. E kan say sɛ wotie yɛ mpanyimfoɔ no ma face na ɛnyɛ sɛ ne na ɔman ti o nkra krom ha no bekae sɛ ɛtɔma me akwala nkrafo bɛyɛ adom a ɛbɛsi homɔwɔ no so a ɛyɛ asomdwie ɛyɛ fɛ ɛyɛ anigye kɛkɛ sɛsɛ ɔmo de yɛntumi de ɔmo ho ahyɛ mu yɛ kakabensɛm yɛsrɛ nkran hene yɛ panitwɔni wankasa wɛdeɛ mesa da mensa yɛ mekotodwe gu fam ma wo ho mmere so na kasa kyerɛ voice na ɔmo yɛ saa no obi yɛ adeɛ ɛnyɛ na neɛ ɛsɛ sɛ yɛde yɛ no yɛmfa nyɛ no na mo afahyɛ a mogye a ɛyɛ fɛ a nkurɔfoɔ kra firi mea bɛhwɛ no ɛnyɛ fɛ patro first na gama hye ɛne na yɛyɛ no afei hitman patro wɛdeɛ ma menkɔ akwatia kakra mesrɛ akwatiafoɔ monya momfa ɔdɔ ɛne abotrɛ nkɔto aba no ɛma mo nipa na wɔfiri mu awerɛhoɔ yayayaya hwɛ sɛ obi a wakɔtrɔ ne exam sɛ wie a wɔbɛyɛ lawyer na wawu a ne ɛyɛ aba a wawu enti yɛde papers no ana results no yɛde kɔma afu a na yɛyɛ ne den mesrɛ momfa mo ani nto ne abusuafoɔ ne okurafoɔ ne ne mma na monto aba ne ma wɔn mo ma momfa mma kakabenfoɔ no ɔtɔm.
Wow. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Gideon very much, Sante.
Yes, sir.
Gideon, my too.
Yes, sir. Now, what you hear? Every chummy, my dear reform, my daddy Lumba, sir. Nani, I come actually, granted by election year, I go to you. So, one person say, Nipper, the catcher in Nipper, the Sani say, yeah, the pretty to me, Montomayan, nearby a bay or my year. It's no any ana. Check. According to 5,500 nego gugu ono. Akon wesi kaya bu biya bakro na ochi. Omoko di ono. Eye 250 Ghana. It is 2.5 million. Bu akwenta se calculate akura betimi abo. Bu eno hu akwenta sika na ochi omoko di oho. Sika e tia police fo nko aka. Bu akwenta behwe. Na santra se kwa na se bu akwenta patrol mu yusu maye akotia wi sent Dombe hospital esintan hospital papa be pa na ehwe enipa wo Ghana ase ama enipa ahoto ne nkwa etimi atrase ache tani we nyina Ghana pedimo nyi we nyina ho ye koya by election cheka o manebu akotia kwa nyina anye fisika ye tuagu etisi e bia ho so o man by election na yakokobo eho kan yetimi mfa kwan bia so anya tutie bia ta ekawe ye be yefi ho ana so 1% finishia na bia etoba yeyi MP ewa kwatia 32 years ni MP yeyi wo mu akwatie nyina yenko kire ade a obi a timi aye ama kwatia kuro no akosoro
Gideon pharmacy
ka ye bomi na wotwe nkuamu ni ya hwese sanka ya si edi ya kwatie yi a enka enche 32 years MP abai nyina adwuma mo bɛyɛ ana
Gideon pharmacy
no man Ghana yɛ pro many years ah de bi asoso bo sare a ɛna yɛ ba bɛyɛ ni yie ba bɛyɛ ni yɛ ni di omachi e kan so wani omachi so enye yie so man na etimi egyina na so Ghana fanfanya bisunya
okay
se enipa datani agbo yɛ Ghana ni bɛka se already o ba bɛyɛ ni yie a wo so bu hu akonta efiri se no mo yɛ ni nyina ɛyɛ na da every man go kwesi hwe na wo betra se party ye da de Lumba kajere Ghana de se na wo se di plan ba wo so be ye o mani ya wo so bu hu akonta se be yi a be hu anya sa de na ni di pakuru wadi nguguo wadi Ghana bari bo nyina di nguguo fi sa no kure empie wo o mano eye taibare kuwe na ya na no ma na mek eno bia no me de e na so Ghana ne die election by election party
Gideon very much sentiment. So we do have a final caller this morning. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, first saying.
You know, I'm the 7th.
Mami Tiwa no pay.
Yeah, that one say. I no pay. Oh, Bray, say, Wakasa, papa, Wakasa, Kasa. Ghana pay for Nyankasa, ye woman, you know, Omo fire, Yashi, Omo fu, a Busiani party, and one, a winner yaki. Anka, coming quiet the ballot box with you are Obia and Kojina. And was you are no matter someone, no more the cop. Yes, simple. Me a coming Kojina who crown for 2 abano. One cat, a baby answer. What shall your man you quit? I plan I say, National Sky, yes, say, I will make him for election. Police require the one call, one about to play. Ghana people, anything and Yamia to our can. Almost pass for Bombay, almost pass for Bombay. Yanko Pombe to your one, papa.
No, Debbie. Yankupon Tubiaka. You're fancy. Kwajo, yeah, Brasso, we gotta go.
Yeah, sure. Brack of Ebeko, Edia, no, my usra, the takra, the bafom. Young Fanchi and I see some mate for the door, Massy. Son of pay your money and sink when your friend upon and San Bedup and Pensuino. Into the mechanic say, Ghana near Okotua Bano Equitiano, Equitiafono, Eastern Region anymore. Yes, Remo. A primatum. Ko na kwadwena wo nkwa ho face because wo nkwa wo ade nyina adwuma na aba na obi kwa kope e de abehwe ni fie me de me ka kire no kure wo nyina na maka kire no adwuma na aba na obi kope adwuma behwe ni fie na busua ene ne party bo modern a se wo ba akoto a me de me nka ntwe se ma nkoto ba akoto a koto no boko wi akofie na kwakutie radio ana TV na hwe results e be ba bonten asa enkoyo ho ageman ne tuo ka wa wasema enkwese hwe because ye nimmo ye kunkum mu abatu mekosi den enya afi no compensation nkoso okwa ne ye bo prawa wa pra kwa enkwese hwe ntedwene ho na dwene wo abusua no ho ye na aposifo no nyoma fam de na me de me bomb pa se bedu ba bia benya leadership o mbadwene o man yi ho na o ma betwatwa saa party ayi internal security ne nyina mu afiri honom na ye koto aba o ba bia ade ne ya na ye kwakoto aba ntokwa nim enti eye free and fair nkwa na sisi ni kwasi ebu ni ma bra kwabde sile na obi ko bɔ no ho ban fa so obi ani so because ye sala ikoto aba ma wie mi kom baby asisi e wo ne de ahia asisi bi anim aha nti yenye ni ye na ye nyina ye ho ntwe sa de a e bebere gu kwa
okay
black kwabde answer meko no mi fa birthday we mfa ma James ye bo a nti DJ fi ba bebo am se de ma ye na nyame hira opi na we eye happy birthday e ko e de amame wo fa se a de den e de James ye bo nti James ye bo ne eye wa wo de nti de ye kana se Yankopɔn a oshira na obi dume kura na otumtwam se hu no onfa onfra domo enko adum no nya okese pa so happy birthday goes to you James yeboa wo asante bekwai efriwa wodo a ne den edi Juliet sian a owo oboase CKC school honom na odofo Juliet sian oboase CKC school hono wo no se enfa oda kese enfa ma James yeboa a wo asante bekwai yankopon hira no nya okese pa black we say happy belated birthday eko ediamao ekosia de pa ndrada na your birthday Yankopon hira opa no nya okese na wawode Yankopon ama no asonso no oma edenya soronko no pagya mfra dom kwadom oma adepa bia wasasi wesuo no ebi ema onserum so happy belated birthday go as to you ekosia adepa we every atokwa amena Kesben Media reporter honom eno ye adwuma o se yemfa woda kese we emfa ekosia adepa.
Okay. Kwajo, me da say papa well, let me say special good morning and come out Akosia Sewa of House of DL. Akosia Sewa House of DL. Kwajo, say 1 week no see Akosia Sewa House of DL. Akosia Sewa.
Yeah, sure.
Special good morning and come out Akosia Sewa of House of DL. Wow. Thank you so much for being part of the show. The very good act of being a good guest is no when to say goodbye. From Hitman, as I can see and come up production team, and executive producer, Inshaba Kwajo Samibi, DJ Fiba, and a team Nina. Hitman here, good morning.